taconite pellets, bound for America's steel mills, moved by special unit train to the shores of Lake Superior, where boats are loaded from the GN ore docks. Aluminum from the Pacific Northwest, forged into products 1,000 miles away. It gets there by rail. GN's the mineral wealth of the land, in transit from maker to user, the rolling raw material for toasters, tractors, pistons, planes, and automobiles. Great Northern is manufactured products on their way. All the needs and luxuries of modern life moving from maker to user, moving in new ways, moving faster and better. It takes transportation know-how to deliver the goods to people. And transportation know-how to deliver people, too. Every car on every train carries something important to someone. So every car's important to GN.
If you'll hold on, I'll take a check. Yes, we've got GN 12904 check through Spokane, and it's right on schedule.
What makes Great Northern go? People and fresh ideas. Ideas like using a Jetstar to help customers find new locations for their plants. People like this GN industrial specialist. The customer's location requirements. He knows like his own backyard. And his backyard stretches from the Great Lakes to the Pacific. Location know-how. Transportation know-how. And a first-hand knowledge of the customer's product. They're all part of Great Northern's aggressive marketing program. Spearheaded by a team of professional market managers. These are railroad men and more. They're specialists in agriculture, minerals, manufactured goods, a dozen different fields. Each man an expert in his chosen field. They know their customer's business, know the product, how it's made, where it goes, how to get it there. They talk the shipper's language, understand his needs, help him find answers. The market manager's job goes well beyond the world of rails. His trade is total transportation. His task is finding better ways. Ways to handle a load of lumber coming into the Twin Cities. Ways to load a ship in Portland with tons of wheat bound for Japan. No matter what the transportation challenge, GN has a market man who can find the answer. When Boeing began to plan the giant 747, they looked for the best way to bring parts from all over the country to their assembly plant near Seattle. GN met the challenge. It took a special kind of car and a brand new line up one of the steepest railroad grades in the country. Great Northern delivered the vital parts to put a giant into the skies. Technology and talent. People and ideas, the restless drive to learn and grow. These are the forces Great Northern combines to create a railroad for tomorrow. Where is it going? It goes where it's needed. The world of Great Northern's as wide as half a continent and more. As tall as the dreams of the people it serves. It rolls from the great Midwest to the shores of the Pacific, serving great cities. 10 states, 2 provinces, bringing together industry and plentiful resources. Spanning farm and forest lands that reach from sky to sky. Great Northern crosses the Manitoba border to link Winnipeg and the markets of mid-America. It serves the great Canadian port of Vancouver. From the west coast, GN reaches northward to the cities and villages of Alaska. Containers, trailers, freight cars, merchandise in every shape and form moves up the coastal waterways from Great Northern railheads. Great Northern rails reach across the broad Pacific, linking faraway Japan to mid-America. And to the east, Great Northern joins the St. Lawrence Seaway at Duluth, meeting ships with European ports of call. Fargo, Minot, Bremerhaven, Williston, Wolf Point, Anchorage, Spokane, Tacoma, Tokyo.